It's so cold in here. Just kidding, I got you guys. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm really excited. I have this really cutie frostbitten elf tutorial, I guess, for you guys. When I sat down in my chair, I really had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do. I didn't practice this look, so I kind of just wanted to wing it. All I knew is I wanted this ornament on my face somewhere. That's what I wanted. And this is what you guys got, is this cutie little frostbitten elf, which I had literally so much fun filming for you guys. So I hope that you really do enjoy this tutorial. I love doing special effects makeup for y'all. Like I said a million times before, special effects is like my all-time favorite. So without further ado, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and let's hop right into the tutorial. So you guys know the most important part of any special effects look is your skin prep. I'm using my Professionals, and now I'm just going to be applying my prosthetic ears. I'm applying these using Spirit Gum. Just to protect my eyebrow, guys, I'm putting some glue over it just to make sure none of the latex gets stuck. To get an idea of where I want things to be, guys, I'm just taking some lipstick, putting it on an ornament, and then pressing it against my skin. Now going in with some liquid latex, trying the best I can. Even though I put glue over my brows, I'm trying the best that I can to go around them, and I'm just adding some cut up toilet paper. I did separate these so they're nice and thin. And now just pressing on our ornament with some more latex, I am taking my little spatula and just kind of folding over that toilet paper to make it look like it's really dug into my skin. I want sort of a lot of texture and almost like a 3D effect. Now I'm just going in with my Huda Beauty foundation and creating my first layer of foundation. Using my Gingerbread palette, I'm just going to create really rosy cheeks. So I'm going to only do this on this side first, and then we're eventually going to make it over to the other side. For now, I'm only going to be setting half my face because I am going to be adding some concealer and a few other things to the other side. Now taking my white Suva liner, I'm just going to be creating some freckles, again only on this side of my face. Doing only one side of our contour now, we're actually going to be using this pink shade, but I am going to be using this for my whole face later on. Now taking my Mehron 3D gel, and let me tell you, this stuff is literally amazing. This is in the flesh tone, so I'm just adding that to get even more dimension and more texture on my little ornament wound. I'm just kind of going all the way over there, setting that with my Mehron setting powder. Now it is time for coloring, guys. So I'm using my Gingerbread palette and also a Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just kind of doing my shading and my coloring. This doesn't have to be perfect. It can be really messy because we are going to put fake blood on it. So just do the best coloring that you can. I'm using these red shades and a few browns. You want to just make sure that you make it really, really deep. Like a deep, deep red. You don't want it to be too bright, even though this does look bright right now. I am using browns and darker colors to deepen that up a little bit. Also using a shade out of my James Charles palette. Now moving on to the other side of the face, guys, I'm using my Precisely My Brow and I'm doing a cut crease with my Gingerbread palette. You guys can do anything you want for this side though. I just wanted to keep it kind of really cute and girly. So I'm just prepping my eye and everything. And again, you can do anything you want, but this is just the eye look that I decided to go with. When I am doing my cut crease though, guys, I am extending it a tiny little bit past my brow, not so much. It is going to be flared out the tiniest bit, but again, you can do anything you want. This is just what I thought would be cute with this look. I am also adding kind of like a little smoky cutie brown wing. Going in with another layer of foundation on that side, guys, just to deepen it up a little bit. We're going to be doing our face. You can do your face just how you normally would on this side with your concealer, your contour, all that fun stuff. And like I said, guys, I am going to be using a light pink today along with my regular contour just to make it even more cutie. And let's not forget about that really bold cheek. Going in again to bring those freckles all the way to the other side, and I am adding a little bit up into my temples as well. Just throwing off my lashes off camera, guys. I did make these out of paper. And now taking my Gingerbread lipstick, I'm just adding this to the very, very inner portions and dabbing that out with a brush. Using leftover product, guys, I'm just going in with my foundation sponge to make a nice smooth blend. And now, we are taking our fake blood just with a spatula, and I'm going over all of the edges of my ornament. You do not have to be so clean with this because, I mean, blood splatters are not clean and really sharp and precise. Now taking some thin Christmas lights, guys, I'm just going to be starting to wrap those around my neck. I am adding an initial base of gel just so I kind of want them to be like stuck in my skin. You know what I mean? So it's going to look like they're going all the way under in some areas and over, just like melted skin basically on top of these really thin lights. I hope that you guys can see. Now taking some liquid latex, guys, and toilet paper, I'm just going in little patches around my neck and underneath those lights. At first I did want to cover these in blood, but then I had to set my neck to ensure that the gel wouldn't move, and it just looks so cool like snow. So I decided to go with kind of like a frostbitten elf, and it totally changed my whole look. And initially it was setting powder that I used for my snow, but then I switched over to baby powder for obvious reasons. It's much more cost effective. Now taking some of that 3D gel, I am just using some cut up wrapping paper, kind of like shards of glass. I wanted it to look like it was stuck in my skin, and I'm just adding those in, really pushing them to get that 3D effect. Just using the same process for shading, we set our gel, and now we are going to be shading and getting ready for our blood. And now I'm just going over with latex and a little bit of toilet paper on the top of my ears, guys. I do want this to look as organic as I can, so I'm making it really rigid. So there's a lot of texture like normal snow, and again, for my snow effect, I'm just using baby powder. I did decide to add a little bit more gore to my neck, so I'm just taking my spatula and some more of that fake blood and adding a little bit of accents. You don't have to do this for your whole neck. I'm just doing it in little segments. And I just threw on my hat, and now I'm taking more baby powder, guys, and I'm literally drowning myself in it. You can skip this step if you don't want to be covered in baby powder, obviously, but I am a frostbitten elf. If you want to be a normal torn up elf, you go right ahead, girlfriend. Okay, you guys, so that is all. We'll be wrapping up this frostbitten elf. I am super happy with this look, how it came out. I really do love all special effects makeup. Like I tell you guys every single time I put out a special effects video for y'all. But I wanted to say I could not put out this content if you guys didn't give me such positive feedback on it. You guys are always so awesome and so nice when it comes to all my special effects makeup. So encouraging, and I just cannot appreciate that enough. I can't tell you guys how much that means to me, because this kind of stuff makes me so happy to create. It really does, and I love it. I love doing this. I love sitting here in my chair and creating little frostbitten elves for you guys. So it means so much to me that you guys enjoy watching that. And really just, I cannot wait to put out more holiday stuff for you guys and all this new special effects stuff and holiday giveaways, and it's such an exciting time. So with that being said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!